I'm going to show you a quick 3-step routine using some of my favorite products from Bolden. First, I'm going to be starting with the Skin Clarifying Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I use about a quarter size amount, and then I like to add water and really get a good suds going. And then I will apply it to the face. My next step, I go into my Skin Brightening Toner. Love how gentle this toner is. I like to do about 5 drops on my cotton swab, and then I just glide it over my skin. Once that dries down, I go into my skin brightening. This is the Brightening Moisturizer, the SPF 30 with vitamin C. When it comes to SPF, I like to use a generous amount because SPF protects the skin, and that's what's most important. So I like to really get a couple pumps, probably about 6. Then I just work this into the skin. The best part about this SPF moisturizer is no matter how much you use, it's going to just melt into your skin. I'm going to show you how I like to use Bolden's Nighttime Repair Serum. I love using this serum after I've cleansed my face and tone. I'll go right into this. I love that it's great for cell turnover. It fades dark spots. It's good for firmness and the elasticity of the skin. You just can't beat it.